So there are a few different things that I absolutely love about rechargeable wall sconces, and I'm so happy that Nekhong sent me these ones to show you guys. Now these ones are really cool because there's no electrical wiring necessary, there's minimal hardware, they're really easy to install, and what I really like is that the light bulb itself is rechargeable and you can just pull it right on out, and it's easy to charge up. You just connect the USB-C port right into there. Now for these light bulbs, you do get anywhere from 20 to 60 hours of use out of them, depending on the brightness level that you have it at. And to charge them up, it only takes about 6 or 7 hours to charge these up fully. And when you do put these in there, they are magnetic on the bottom, so you can hear it actually just stick right in there. They stay nice and secure into place. And these things just look awesome on the wall. Now these do come packaged nice and secure. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to put everything together. Putting them on the wall was super easy too. It's minimal hardware. Like I said, you're just gonna screw a couple things into the wall, put the bracket on, and then you can just hang these wall sconces. A really cool feature about these lights is that you can change the color of them. So the bulb does allow you to change the color with the wireless remotes that it comes with. It does come with 2 wireless remotes, one for each light. And I just love how you can cycle through all the different colors, really easy. You can mix and match. You have so many different colors to choose from. And you do have a few different modes on here that kind of just cycle through all the different colors as well. So if you're looking for a simple lighting solution for one of your rooms where it might not have electrical wiring, these wall sconces right here are a great choice. Thanks for watching.